Vice President Kamala Harris finished speaking in Tucson. She made a trip to Arizona just days after the Supreme Court upheld a near total ban on abortion. 12 News journalist Rachel Cole is live in Tucson with what she had to say. Rachel.
Hey, good afternoon to you, Tram, the Vice President, speaking here at El Rio Neighborhood Center to a room of roughly 200 people wedging into this room to hear the remarks of the Vice President, most of them women cheering and chanting and booing at times while the VP gave her remarks. You'll remember that prior to this, you could get an abortion 15 weeks before pregnancy. State legislators on both sides of the aisle telling 12 News that there could be a vote as early as next week to potentially repeal the law. So Vice President Harris telling the audience that reproductive rights are, of course, up and down the ballot come November. Her trip to Tucson, too, comes one day after Senate candidate Carrie Lake was in the same city, saying she does not agree with the Arizona Supreme Court ruling. Now, Arizona Republicans were successful yesterday at blocking an attempt to ban within 2 months, but Attorney General Chris Mays has already said that she will not prosecute anyone who's in violation of the ruling. Meantime, the effort to get abortion on the ballot continues. There's people in and around Tucson getting those signatures so that an initiative could appear on the November ballot.
They have turned back the clock to the 1800s to take away a woman's most fundamental right, the right to make decisions about her own body. This decision by the Arizona State Supreme Court now means women here, the women here, live under one of the most extreme abortion bans in our nation. No exception for rape or incest, prison time for doctors and nurses, and abortion made illegal before most women even know they're pregnant.
This total ban on abortion that the Arizona Supreme Court just ruled on is out of line with where the people of this state are. The issue is less about banning abortion and more about saving babies.
So other Democratic leaders like Secretary of State Adrian Fontes and Congressman Ruben Gallego also saying that they are using this momentum of the Republicans, so to speak, backpedaling to get crowds like the one here today fired up about November. And they say the path does not stop here and to restore reproductive rights and freedom. So they say they want you to stay with them until November. They continue to egg on the crowd and make sure that they're hearing them loud and clear when it comes to the reproductive rights of women. We're live in Tucson this afternoon. Rachel Cole, 12 News.
Rachel, thank you.